Brand new selection of colours in the Nuvo Marker Pen collection. The alcohol-based Nuvo Marker Pens are now available in 57 brilliantly vibrant colours and are ideal for blending with similar shades or use alongside the blender pen to create gradients and other stunning effects. The dual tip of each pen contains both a fine detail and chisel nib, making them a superb option for colouring stamped images. The tapered body ensures a comfortable hold with either the thick or thin end, allowing you to use with optimum creative results.